Hello friends, family, and general YouTubers out there in the YouTubeverse, and I am back. I haven't gone away, but for a temporary pause, getting an education. I'm actually back in school. Oh, this project is definitely going forward, just much slower. Let me show you. What I have here is the same wood structure, but I have sanded down the walls, stained them, and put barrier transitions in between. Now I've put the surround lights in the room, and I can create any kind of lit environment because it's an RGBW LED light system. The next step, all of the cabinets are on their way. Putting together the cabinets and the hidden drawers. So this is it. First is the hanging cabinet, which this is all basically temporary faces, and I'm going to be able to put drawers in here. So I have the cabinets for linen and some more personal space. I'm sitting on what will be my bed area for where I'm going to sleep. It's technically a loft for storage, but I built a cushion into the bottom that will house the mattress. So everything is being set on top of this foam, which is what I'm sitting on now. I really love this. Anyhow, I haven't left you all. I'm still here, I'm still working hard. I just wanted to at least show you some of the updates, some of the progress, and stay tuned soon for the next reveal.